Attention! Attention! This is an emergency broadcast being issued for your area by local authorities. If you are receiving this alert, your life is in extreme danger. Pay close attention to the following information. Do not question anything said in this alert. Take the actions immediately. Delaying these actions is putting your life in extreme danger. In approximately 3 minutes, at 11 p.m., the Watcher will search your community. The Watcher is a supernatural being, described as a giant eyeball with large white wings. The Watcher has the ability to kill any person it wants to without using any sort of force or weapon. More information on this being will be released in the morning. The Watcher will search your community for any awake person and kill them. Do the following actions immediately. If you are home, turn off all lights, close all windows and blinds, and turn off all televisions or electronic devices that make any noise. Make as little noise as possible while performing these actions. Get into your bed and go to sleep. Do not open your eyes for any reason. If you hear any noise, ignore it. Keep your eyes closed at all costs. Even if it sounds like someone is knocking on your door or attempting to break into your home, ignore it. Calmly tell children to go to sleep, and to not open their eyes for any reason until it is morning. If you are on a roadway and driving, safely pull off the road, turn your vehicle off, and go to sleep. You do not have enough time to get home. You cannot kill it. Any attempt to do so will result in your death. Do not panic. Calmly execute the instructions. Panicking will most likely lead to your death. Do not worry about pets. It will not target pets. Go to sleep. Repeat, go to sleep. Go to sleep.